This week was all about confirmation from dark pools and a clear skew in the options tape. On SPY, the headline level is still 659.22 with roughly 6.6 billion in dark pool premium. We finished the week trading above that area, which keeps that massive print acting like support. The next band up is 663.21, where we've seen about 4.8 billion. I'm treating 659 to 660 as the buy the dip shelf, and a decisive push through 663 opens the door for continuation. When we strip out same-day contracts and exclude Friday expiries, calls outweighed puts, so the lean stays bullish unless price loses that shelf. QQQ showed steady accumulation. The base is 598.34 with a little over 1.1 billion in prints, plus a stack of medium buys up through 599.76. Holding above 598 keeps momentum constructive. Lose it and I'll look for a retest toward the mid-590s. Options flow using only future expiries. Tilts slightly call heavy, supporting the trend. IWM gave the cleanest roadmap. Two anchors lit up, 238.34 around 1.4 billion, and 238.57 around 1.1 billion. We're finishing above both. Staying over 238 favors risk-on rotation. Reclaiming the 244 to 245 zone would add fuel to small caps. Now the 5 leaps that stood out, longer-dated positioning only. Number 1, RDDT. About 8.6 million in total premium, average time to expiry roughly 352 days, and the flow was overwhelmingly calls. That's institutional-style duration, not a scalp. Number 2, ONON. Around 2.1 million in premium, roughly 300 days to expiry, also call biased. Momentum plus time gives this real squeeze potential if the tape stays firm. Number 3, OUST. About 1.1 million in premium, a little over 300 days on average, mostly calls. Smaller cap, but notable for the maturity of the bets. Number 4, LAS. Roughly 500,000 in total premium, about 198 days to expiry. Earlier in the curve than the first 3, but the call skew is clear. Number 5, ASST. Around 500,000 as well, roughly 238 days to expiry. Again leaning calls. Put together, that leaps basket says funds are layering longer-dated upside while the indices hold above their biggest dark pool shelves. That's a constructive backdrop, provided those shelves keep holding. My game plan into next week. Above SPY 659, QQQ 598, and IWM 238. I'll favor dips and ride strength. If we lose those anchors on volume, I'll shift to defense and demand confirmation before re-risking. Manage size, respect stops, and let the tape lead. If this helped, tap like and subscribe so you don't miss the daily flow updates and next week's watch list.